Hey yo, g'day. It's Chris O from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. I'm a professional tiler. I have been for 35 years. This is how I cut holes in a tile with this particular tile anyway. I'll show you how. I have the hole saws, but I like to do this way as well. So I'll show you. I started cutting with the hole saw, and it's a very thin brittle tile, so I thought, no, that's not going to work. And yeah, sure enough, it did exactly what I thought it would do. So now I go the old way. Sometimes the old way is the best way. There's heaps of videos out there showing you how to cut a hole with a hole saw, but not many do it with a grinder. The cover plate on these plumbing fittings is ridiculously small. So there's no room. You have to cut as tight as. So I've marked the back. See the holes on the back of the tile? It's not very often you see that made in Australia. I don't reckon the clay is right. Yeah, I don't reckon the Australian clay is suitable for tiles. But anyway, they're doing it. So you have the back of your tile marked. DIYs, don't push down, just let the weight of the grinder do it. Just be gentle. Don't push down. Gently, gently, gently. See how I'm starting to come through? I can see a bit of daylight. Gently, don't push. Exciting, isn't it? Eh? Woo. Just take it slowly, DIYers. And there you have it. So DIYers, you've saved money on having to buy your hole saws. You've done it with a grinder, which you had to have a grinder anyway. So let's just see if it fits. If it doesn't fit, well, then I can chip out just a little. I'll show you. That's pretty tight. That's not a good thing to do either. You should always have that cover on. But I'm trying to go as tight as I can because the cover plate or cover flange is so ridiculously small. I want to be actually smaller than that plastic cover. So with this, I just need to just go a little bit bigger. So I'll do that. Just with a piece of tile. Where's something? There's a hammer, right. What have I got that's handy? Not a lot, but this will do. So I'm not having to go out to the van. But a screwdriver is better. If I break that tile, I'll scream. Gently does it, people. Right, very gently with that because it can scratch so easily. Just a bee stick around there. So we'll draw a little bit of a line. If I chip that away, then I can glue it up and we'll be home and hose. I have some special nippers. They're called the parrot beak nippers, but they're somewhere out in my van. I don't know exactly where they are, so it's quicker. For me anyway, just to give it a bit of a tap with a piece of tile. And then there we have it. People, I'll glue that on now and we're home and hose. That's how tight I need to be for my cover plate. Okay, that's done, that one. So we'll glue it on and give us a thumbs up. Poke the subscribe button. I recommend doing it this way that I've showed you because you can cut any size hole in any tile without having to go out and buy all your fancy round hole cutters. A grinder can cut any size. So we'll see ya. Woo, woo, woo. Bye.